Hi, good morning. Our demo product is drill machine. Here we have a drill machine which is a company of Velex, and it have a power of 300 watt. And this is a simple normal drill machine. It does not have a hammer in this. So we are unboxing this drill machine. It comes with simple packing. You do not have any thermocol in this, and it have key for the loosening and tightening of the chuck. So first we talk about the quality of the wire. So the wire thickness is very good for requirement for this, and the chuck quality is good as compared to other brand in this, like in this price segment. And the plastic quality also uh, some reliable thing. It's not looking very cheap quality as compared to this price range. And in this we have this metal part in front of this, which can provide us more ruggedness in doing the rough work in this. And like it have only it's a simple drill machine which have one button in this. By that we can start it, and we can lock this button if we want to do it like for longer time. And we can like by pressing this we can release this button. And we have this key for tightening and loosening of the chuck. So this can work in the wall, somewhat in concrete also, and we can use it for soft metal like aluminium and the copper, and we can use perfectly in the wood place, mainly used by the like plumber, electrician, and the wooden like carpenter, and for some small use in the. So I want to show one simple demo in this without drill bit. So you have to only simply plug this, and you have to only click this. It do not have variable speed control. It's directly start and it's end. Like in hammer we have like a variable speed control. By pressing a small amount of this button we have the small speed, and if we press more than that we get the higher speed at that. But it's simple machine, so it's do not have that purpose. So, hi. So let us start with one demo. So we are using this drill bit for the wooden, and this is wood block which is very thick in size, and we have key for the inserting drill bit. So it's easy. It's very easy to installation. We have to only put this drill bit in the chuck jaw, and we have to tighten this key, and we have to ensure that it's perfectly tight, otherwise it will the bit will slip. So we have to tight from all the side. Now you can see it's perfectly tight. Now we have to insert this plug to the socket, and remove your hand from the button and press the button. So now how we have to handle this drill bit. So it's depend on the situation. Like if we are using for the wall, so we have to put our one hand to the downward side and press this like this. But we are using like vertical side, so we have to put our hand to the upper side of the drill bit and pressing this button. So we are starting this. But ensure that where we have to bring this point. So thank you.